Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix language skills with Edmodo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Edmodo website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Choose whether you are a student, teacher, or parent based on your needs. Fill in the necessary information to complete the registration process. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Edmodo dashboard. Locate the search bar at the top of the page to look for language skill resources. Type in keywords such as language skills, English practice, or language games. Browse through the available groups and resources that appear in the search results. Join relevant groups dedicated to language learning by clicking on the Join button. Engage with group posts by reading discussions, sharing insights, and asking questions. Next, explore the library section to find additional resources and materials. Look for language skill worksheets, quizzes, and interactive exercises. Download or bookmark resources that best suit your learning style. Use the assignments feature to check if there are any tasks related to language skills. Complete the assignments to gauge your understanding and progress. Consider creating your own posts asking for tips or sharing your learning experiences. Interact with fellow members by responding to their posts and offering support. Make use of Edmodo's messaging feature to connect directly with teachers or peers for help. Set specific goals for your language learning journey within Edmodo. Track your progress by regularly checking back on the resources you've used. Utilize Edmodo's calendar feature to keep track of deadlines and important dates. Revisit the groups and resources as you advance in your language skills. Eventually, start to apply what you've learned in real-life situations. Share your successes and challenges with the Edmodo community for feedback. Consistently engaging with the platform will enhance your language skills over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.